super cool feature in Outlook that I use every day. You can create events and tasks by dragging and dropping emails. Let me show you how you can do that. Let's go. Here I am in the new Outlook. Let's say that I would like to follow up on this email with my teammates because it's an important topic. I need to get more insights and feedback. So to create and following up on emails by creating meeting, all I need to do is drag this email and drop it in the calendar icon. This will open a new window, and here what I have is the included in the body, in the description of this event, I have the email. So now what I can do here is select my teammates to follow up on this topic. So I can, of course, set it as a team meeting. I can include OneNote and other information to this meeting if I want. And then let's send. That's it. Another very incredible feature is My Day. I use this every day, and this, trust me, speed up your productivity. So what I have here are two pivots, two tabs. Calendar and To Do. Here I have an overview of all meetings of today, but I can go through the week and the month if I want. And going back on To Do, I can see all tasks listed here. Now let's say that I want to follow up on a specific email because my colleague told me that there was an issue and I need to follow up on this one to have a look. So I'm going to drag this email and drop it in Add as a Task. This is immediately added as a task. Moreover, I have a link here so I can reopen the email directly from this link. Now let's say that I want to add more information to this task because this is a summary of my tasks list. So what I can do is click on the icon Open To Do. I'm always in the same page, but I'm opening now To Do. And here I can see this new task just created. And from here I can click on this one, and having the panel open, I can set this Add to My Day. I'm going to have a look today. I can set a reminder, all function, classic function available in To Do. And this comes directly from, of course, from Outlook. Now let's go back again on Outlook and let's open again My Day. So another use case is by creating an event following up on always on an email. So I have here another email. I need to have a reminder that I need to post something on social media. So I'm going to drag and drop this email on the event section, and now automatically what I have is the email embedded in the description of this event. Then I can decide if this is a team meeting or just a reminder, and I have all classic function to organize and create the event. Did you know this productivity tip? Let me know in the comment down below. If you find this video helpful, please consider to subscribe and like. I hope to see you next time. Stay tuned. Bye.